One thing nice with the Pfaff sewing machines is they include a printed manual. So all the information is in here. Even they give you definitions of the stitches. So if you're looking for which stitch is used where, there's actually a little reference of their actual names. And then you can kind of get an idea, oh yeah, that stitch is for this. So everything's in here. We are doing a video on every page of the manual. So you can always go back and go, oh yeah, that was how it was done. So if you sort of remember it but need a reference, the manual is good. Also, let's take a look at the warranty that comes with the Pfaff sewing machines. So you have a 20-year warranty, a 5-year warranty, and a 1-year warranty. So a 20-year warranty is just a Pfaff's guarantee that all the manufacturer parts are going to work the way there should be down the road. Now, if things wear out just because you've used them, that's different. But that is just something regular maintenance can keep up on. But if there's anything that is truly not made right, that's where Pfaff's 20-year warranty comes in. 5-year warranty is on circuit boards. So if anything happens to the circuit boards that are in here, a warranty of 5 years, they'll take care of it. And 1-year parts and labor. So anything that happens within the first year, your local Pfaff store will help you out with. And just make sure you register your machine at pfaff.com, and all the specifics are on the back side. So if there's any questions, please contact your local Pfaff store for service work or service problems. They are your first line of defense, and that way they can be right there to help you through anything that might not be just perfect.